and because of the position of the earthquakes which happened at that time, they expected an eruption at Selivansos waterfall, so what you've seen on the left side not long ago, and then it didn't happen. So instead, this area slowly received more than 3,000 smaller earthquakes with a depth of 7 and 10 kilometers, somewhere between that, and yeah, finally they had an eruption here at the south coast, which happened at Skogafoss waterfall. There is a famous hiking trail, and basically that is an 18-kilometer long hiking trail with 7 smaller waterfall, and so the area just opened up there, so there was a fissure type eruption, and this contained 15 volcano fountains, and the average height of these eruptions were about 105-10 meters. So this was way smaller than they expected to be, because I mean Eyjafjallajökull is a big volcano. And then in the next month, the beginning of May, if I remember correctly, they had so basically what happened, they had an activity inside of the caldera. The magma melted the ice cap and it caused flooding in the area, so about 800 people in total had to be evacuated immediately. And because Iceland have a really nicely working evacuation plan, so no one died. But in the same time, that meltwater traveled back to the caldera, where basically the magma and the hot magma and the cold water, they mixed together, and that caused a big explosive eruption. And yeah, the result was that the volcano threw a huge amount of sand, very fine ash and rocks into the atmosphere, and of course the gases. And yeah, this lasted for a few months till the end of August. And basically everything where you look, especially a bit closer to the southeast, because at that time Iceland received western winds, so all the dust and the sand was carried to the southeast. So soon we will see that. But everything was basically like a black and white picture. And I've seen a documentary. I will show the house about that documentary. And then the owners, everyone had to leave the area. So it was not possible to breathe here properly because of the ash. And they could come back one time daily to feed the animals, and then they had to leave again. So that they had basically done that daily, and then yeah, so horses, sheep, yes, and then yeah, from the beginning of September, actually the volcano, deemed as a dormant volcano, so it's sleeping. But this eruption actually disrupted the air traffic for about 6 days above Europe. And then it basically this affected almost 20 countries and around 11 million air travelers. So it was a really big deal. And this was the latest explosive eruption what happened in Iceland. Now the funny thing is, which is actually a lucky thing, that this volcano system where you will find Eyjafjallajökull and Katla and Hekla, it was active, and it was believed that Katla will be the one which will erupt. And we'll talk about Katla later. It's a way more dangerous volcano than this, and luckily the pressure was released here at this volcano, so that was a really lucky situation.